Hi friends, I'm super excited. I just received my new Fire Stick 4K from Amazon. It's the 4K Max, okay? It's the most new or advanced equipment. You get 16 gigabytes of storage, and remember, your Fire Stick remote control will also control the basic operation of your TV, so you don't need a bunch of remotes, okay? Let's see what you get in the package. Okay, you get the actual stick, of course. This is an extra HDMI extender. If for any reason the HDMI port in your TV makes it difficult to connect the stick directly, you can use this extender to connect it like to a different direction if for any reason it's more comfortable for you. Okay, so this is just an adapter. This is the actual remote, and as you can see, you have different options, pre-defined Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Peacock buttons, and these ones that will help you to control not only your Fire Stick, but also if you want your actual TV monitor, okay? And the usual Amazon stick controls. And you even get AAA batteries from Amazon, so you don't have to wait to get new batteries. You get fresh ones from Amazon in the same package. So your remote will be ready to use immediately. You can power up your Fire Stick with two options. Through this micro USB port. And you can connect this side of the USB, the USB-A, to your TV power USB-A port or directly to the electric outlet. So, well, depends on if your TV has a USB-A electric power port, okay? You get the basic instructions, and of course, you will link this device to your Amazon account to be able to use all the features and subscriptions that you already have. Let's install it in one of my TVs and I will show you how it works. As you can see, the stick is already connected to the HDMI port, like this, and our power cable is connected directly to the electric outlet, okay? The USB-A port cable, okay? Now we are going to set up our new Fire Stick with our phone application. We are going to tell it which Wi-Fi network to use. And now we are going to set up some configuration, like the user for our stick. We're going to restore it from an older stick. We're going to get the same a remote control to control the TV set. We're ready. And now some other configuration, like downloading some streaming services that, well, we are going to do later on. We finish our remote. These are the streaming services. And we are going to set up the parental control and some newsletter. You can see my Fire Stick is already configured. You have here, well, like a preview of different shows or TV programs. Here you have your user. I have here already configured the applications that I mostly use. These two are applications that I have downloaded. These are, of course, regular services. You can even see your Netflix account and your YouTube channel inside the Amazon stick, so you don't have to be changing from one input to another in your TV, okay? And of course you have a lot of options down here. Some of them are free, some of them are service-based. So, well, anything that you want to see, the programs that you buy in your Amazon account, you will have everything available in your Fire Stick service, and you will be able to control your TV. This is the volume of my TV set because my remote is already programmed to control it. So that's great. You have a really nice high definition with the 4K Max stick. So if you want to have one service to look at all of, well, I haven't registered my actual account, but as you can see, looks great. So if you want to have everything in just one service, the Fire TV from Amazon is a great option. Thank you.